my journey was a little bit, like a roller coaster ride because I applied last season with just my step one and step two CK and definitely the CS, and I was ECFMD certified, but I didn't match and I just had two interviews. But what I really learned from that was that, when by the time it was December end and I had just two interviews, I knew that my chances of matching was less. So I had already started building my profile for the next season. So what I did was that since I already knew by around November or December 2019, my chances were low. And since I had also low scores in my step one and in my CK, so I started working on my step three and started working research projects. And I also, since I'm very passionate about point of care for ultrasound, also called POCUS, I try to reach out to some few hospitals which were providing this type of courses. And I did that workshop for 2 days and I became very active on Twitter. So that's how I started building up my profile. And I did a lot of more clinical rotations by going to Mount Sinai, to Brooklyn UC. So all this really helped me because I got fresh LORs from my letter, from my attendings, and I also got the latest publications, and many of my papers got accepted in conferences, and I also got a chance to present it during the AHA meeting. And I think that all that really helped me because I could sell myself during the interview season. One of the tips that I would like to give everyone is that, it is going to happen that, many of you guys may not be having great scores like 250 plus or 260 plus in both the exams. And many of you guys may have just low scores or average scores. So it may be difficult for you to match in the first season. But what is really important is that be persistent, keep improving your profile each and every day by doing clinical rotations, trying to do research, and trying to get more and more things in your CV that will, make you very, very strong compared to the other candidates. And one more important tip that I would like to give everyone is that if you have not given your step three, step three is very important, especially if you have low scores or if you have average scores and if you didn't match. And be ready for this type of question that, we see that you were ECFMG certified in 2019 and you didn't match and you have applied again. So what do you think you did different from last year? And that question is going to be asked by everyone if you are applying again. And if you can, ace that question by answering it well, maybe you are inside the program. So it's very important that you know what you have done in the last 1 year from the time you didn't match and how you can sell yourself by saying the unique things that you did in your CV.